All I wanna know is can I set it all? Set it all. All I wanna know is can I set it? Set it. All I wanna know is can I set it all? Set it all. All I wanna know is can I set it?
What's up? This video is entitled, "Which one is better, Chordify or CHORDU?" Well, they are great tools for anyone that's kind of a intermediate to advanced musician. What it is, they actually take songs from YouTube and they display the chords. Now, disclaimer, the chords, a lot of times, they're not 100% correct. You have to have some type of theory or understand chords and able to edit them. Like I will show you real quickly here in Chordify, because Chordify you actually can do it. CHORDU you cannot edit. So if you go to my music profile, which my computer is slow today, but you will see the edits right here. You click on the edits, and that's the good thing about Chordify. It actually lets you change it, which is good because you can pick a song. Let's say we pick this song "Unworthy" by Commission that I was looking at this morning. I know I made some changes on this one. That's why I pulled it up. So, and as you can see, you can change it from piano, ukulele, or guitar. See, just click on it. I don't know why my computer acting slow, but yeah. So what you do is right here where it says improve. If you click on this, you can actually change this chord. So it's an excellent tool to begin to learn music by ear and be able to actually listen and to be able to recognize sounds. So as you can see, you can change the root, the type. If you click down on it, see from major to minor, to sus or whatever. And then, if you have something bass in the a bass in the left hand. So yeah, so this one is great. The thing about this one though, it has, which could be a good thing, it actually has a premium membership, so it cuts you off on a little things that you have to actually pay. So if you click on pricing, you'll see that the monthly subscription is $6.99 a month, and the yearly subscription is $1.74 a month, which is not bad if you really want to have like more of a library. I just use it from time to time. So let's go back. But I think, like I said, they both pull songs from YouTube. So like you can go up in here in the search. Like say if I go up here and search, let's say LMA. And the song will come up. And see, these has already been chordified, so all you have to click on them and the chords has already been processed. But I'm going to pick one that hasn't been. Okay, this one, Trip. See where it says chordify now? So you just click on that. No, that's Deezer. It's not going to do it. So one thing, if it pulled from Deezer, Deezer's going to charge. So you want the ones that says YouTube. And obviously, she is very popular here because all of these has been chordified. So let me pick somebody else. Who can we think of? Let's see. John Peaky. Yeah. I don't know where I picked John. Oh, here we go. Here's a song. See where it's chordified now. So let's click on that song and watch what it does. It says chordify in progress. So it's processing the chords now. Yeah. So once it processes the chords gonna pop up, and then that's where it's gonna actually play the music, and That's when you can go in and you can do your edits and all that good stuff, play along with the music and everything. So you just hit this play button. Oop, moved on me. Where it is. Come on. See, I got it in diagram. You can change it to overview. See, it's missing a lot of chords, but then that's where you can go in and edit. But it's gonna give you little skeletons, and then you just gotta put meat on the bones. So that's the good thing about it. It's gonna give you a little skeleton. You put the meat on the bones, and you learn in the process. So this is a great tool. So that is Chordify. Now CHORDU. Okay. CHORDU. Let me log in. Hopefully my login don't show or nothing. Ralph T. Okay, let's do new editions since they're the first one up here. Okay, similar. It's gonna give you the chords. It's got the piano, got the little dots, you know. And let me quit playing this music before I get hit with a copyright strike. And yeah. But the thing about this one, they actually have this tab, and Chordify don't have this. So it has advanced chords. So it will give you much more meat on the bones. See how it actually have half diminish. Let's see, chord sheet. That's a diagram. See, this one actually give you more advanced chords. But the thing I don't like about this one, a lot of the chords, it give you that 6, and a lot of time it's not the 6. So you're still gonna have to do some editing. But the thing I don't like about this one, it doesn't give you the option to go in and change. So you have to let's take it as it is, I guess. But it has the whole thing like the other one has the guitar and ukulele. This one had the mandolin. I never noticed that. So yeah, and then CHORDU actually has my love tracks. So songs that you might have that you might want to come back to, you can save them. You just hit the heart. And what else? And recently viewed, which is similar to history over at Chordify. So, oh yeah. I forgot. Another thing that I do like about this one is, where is it? I know I just saw it. Let's go back. Let's go back to right here. It's on the diagram. You can actually transpose here, and you actually can change these. Say if you're not good at reading, knowing your chords and sharps, you can change this to flats, and boom, see that quick. I like that because if I ain't got a lot of time to be thinking, you know, I just like to hit the, and you know, this right here, both, it should be on that. And with CHORDU, you can actually slow it down or speed it up, which that's kind of weird. But I guess if you're trying to learn the chords, but I like the music to sound like it's supposed to sound. And these are just, I think these are recommendations where it says you may also like. So those are the two sites. Very useful tools for a musician when this can cut your time in learning songs by a lot, especially if you don't have a lot of time. So in summary, I would say that I really like Chordify better because I actually can go in and edit. And I actually, because one of the things that I really like from CHORDU is the fact that it has the advanced feature. But whenever I get like really stuck here at Chordify, I can just go to CHORDU and put the same song in and get the advanced chord and kind of play with it and plug it into Chordify. So they both are great working together, but Chordify is definitely on the rise and the better one. So yeah, I prefer Chordify. So I hope you guys like this video. Go and check out these sites. They both are pretty good and very useful. They're not perfect, but they're better than nothing. So yeah, just go by, check them out, and see what you think. And I'll see you guys on the next one. Peace.